In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add songs to Spotify manually. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us out. Maybe you're building a playlist with your favorite tracks, but you can't find a specific song on Spotify. Don't worry, there's still a way to add it. First, make sure the audio file of whatever song you're trying to add into Spotify is downloaded on your phone or your computer. There's a bunch of ways to do this. So download whatever song you want at your own, using your own method, but I recommend it if you are on an iPhone just like I am, to download it to the Files app because it's super easy to transfer. As you can see, the song that I'm going to be using is downloaded right in my Files app just like so. What you're going to want to do is open up that Files app and go ahead and hold down on that song that you're trying to put in Spotify and tap the little move icon. And then in the search bar, type in Spotify just like so. Find the little Spotify folder in here. And yes, this is the exact same on PC or Android as well. And then hit this little move button and it's going to move that song into your Spotify folder. From here, just go ahead and go back into the Spotify app on either your PC or whatever phone you have, and then in your library section there's going to be an option for local files. Open that up and you'll see the song that you just had in your files in there just like so. If I hit play, it'll start playing. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, but it is pretty simple. Before you leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe because it really does help out the channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.